Welcome back to session 5 of Sangam tutorials Gubbi online classes for arithmetic progressions. So in the last class we had discussed regarding what is an arithmetic progression, the terminologies related to the arithmetic progression, nth term of an AP and general form of an AP. So just we will recap the things what we had learned in the last class and we will move on with very simple problems on arithmetic progressions. So, what is an AP? An arithmetic progression is a type of sequence in which the difference between a given term and its preceding term is always a constant. So, that's an AP. And coming to the nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term of an AP. If you want to find out any term of an AP, add n minus 1 times the common difference to the first term, then you will get the nth term. So if you want the fifth term of an AP, add 5 minus 1 times the common difference to the first term, then you are going to get the fifth term. So yesterday in the last class we have discussed in detail. So and then we came across the general form of an AP, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, dot 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 is the general form of an AP, where its nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So with these things we will enter into today's simple problems. So today's class is based on exercise 1.1, problems on exercise 1.1 in your textbook. So I will be solving some very simple conceptual oriented problems which may come in your exams for 1 mark. So yesterday also we solved some problems on 1 mark. So today we will be going in detail. So if you are good with the basics, you are good with the concepts, what you have learned, it will be very easy for you now. So now let us enter into the problems. Write the first 4 terms of the AP. Write the first 4 terms of the AP is the given question. So he has given you the first term and the common difference. So one thing we have to remember, in an AP, if you want to find out any term of the AP, you should be knowing the first term of that AP and the common difference of that AP. So if you are having the data of its first term and common difference, then you can find out any term of the AP. So in this question they have given you, write the first 4 terms of the AP where A is 10 and D is 10. That is, first term is 10 and common difference is 10. To find out the first 4 terms of this AP, there are 2 methods. One, by using directly the general form of the AP, we can find out the terms of the AP, what in which I had showed you in the last class. So that can also be done by writing down the first term individually, finding out first term individually, finding out second, third and fourth, and at last writing all the 4 terms. In both the methods you can find out the terms here. So the methodology is left to you. So in this method, write the first 4 terms of the AP. A is given and D is given. First 4 terms of the AP comes like, first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, and fourth term will be A plus 4D. You have to find out all these 4 terms. So here A is already ready, that is first term, A1 is equal to A is equal to 10. So we have got the first term here. Second term is, looks like A plus D. So A plus D represents A is 10 and D is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So third term is A plus 2D where A is again 10 plus 2 into D is again 10. So is equal to 10 plus 2 10s are 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. So third term is 30 and we will find out the fourth term. Fourth term can be written as A plus 3D is equal to A is 10 plus 3 into D. D is again 10. 3 into 10 is 30 plus 10 is 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40 are the first 4 terms of this AP. So this is one of the method. Yesterday I showed you the same problem in a very different method. So in that method we had used the general form of the AP. Okay, no problem, we can use any of the methods. So 10, 20, 30 and 40 are first 4 terms. So this should be your conclusion. So the second problem. In an AP, A is equal to -2 is given and B is equal to 10 is given. Again find the first 4 terms of the AP. So now A1, first term is A1. So A1 is equal to A is equal to -2, that is the first term. Second term is A2 is equal to A plus D. So A is -2 plus D is 10. -2 plus 10 is it's 8. So A3 can written as A plus 2D is equal to A in the sense it is -2 plus 2 into D. So 2 into D comes 10. So that comes -2 plus 2 into 10. 2 into 10 is 20. 20 plus -2 is, it comes to 18. So A4 is A plus 3D is equal to A is -2 plus 3 into D. So 3 into D stands for 10. So 3 into 10 is 30. 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 is 28. So these are the first 4 terms. -2, 8, 18 and 28 are first 4 terms. These are the first 4 terms. We'll go with the next problem here. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to -3. So we'll find out the first 4 terms. Alright. So A1 is A, that is equal to 4, this is the first term. A2 is A plus D, that is A stands for 4 plus D stands for -3, so please keep it inside brackets. If you get a negative sign, please keep it inside brackets. Plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 3 becomes 1. So A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So that is A is 4 plus 2 into D. So 2 into D is -3. So please keep it inside brackets. So it is 4 plus into minus is minus. 2 3s are 6. 4 minus 6 is -2. So that is the third term. We go with the fourth term. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So A4 is equal to A stands for 4 plus 3 into D is -3. So A4 is equal to 4 plus into minus is minus. 3 3s are 9. 4 minus 9 is A4 is -5. So this is the answer. Alright. So this is how we have to find out the first 4 terms of the AP. Now, A is equal to 3, B is equal to, okay, A is equal to -3, B is equal to 2. So this is the fourth problem. We find out the first 4 terms of the AP. So usually A1 is A, that is equal to -3. A2 is A plus D, second term. A is -3 plus D is 2. So -3 plus 2 is -1. So A3 is A plus 2D. This can be written as -3 plus 2 into D is 2. So it comes -3 plus 2 2s are 4. -3 plus 4 is +1. So A4 is A plus 3D is equal to A stands for -3 plus 3 into D is 2. So -3 plus 3 2s are 6. So -3 plus 6 is +3. So these are the first four terms of the given data, that is given AP. Right. Okay. So we'll go with the next problem. that is fifth problem, A is equal to -1 and D is equal to 1 by 2. Same thing, same question continues. Write the first 4 terms of the AP. This is the homework for you. You have to try this. Okay. So first term is A1, that is equal to A is equal to -1. First term is ready. A2 can be written as A plus D. So it is A is -1 plus D is 1 by 2. So below -1 we have the denominator as 1. Take LCM for 1 and 2. 2 becomes the LCM. -1 by 1 into 2 is -2 plus 1 by 2 into 2 is 1. So -1 plus -2 plus 1 is -1 by 2. So this is the second term. Let us go with the third term. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which can be written as A is -1 plus 2 into D. 2 into D is 1 by 2. So that is -1 plus 2 and 2 cancels 1. So -1 plus 1 cancels and it is equal to 0. Let us find out the fourth term. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A4 is equal to A. That is -1 plus 3 into D is 1 by 2. So A4 is equal to -1 plus 3 into 1. 3 by 2. So below 1 we have 1 in the denominator. So A4 is equal to 1 and 2 LCM is 2. -1 by 1 into 2 is -2 plus 3 by 2 into 2 is 3. So A4 is equal to -2 plus 3 is 1 by 2. So this is the fourth term, this is the third term, this is the second term, and this is the first term. So here again the sixth problem we have A is equal to -1.25 and D is equal to -0.25. You have to solve this by yourself. Find out the first 4 terms of this AP. So exercise 1.1, fourth main problems we are going to solve. So very simple. Which of the following are APs? So they have given you some sequences. So you have to check whether they are APs or not. So how to check a sequence whether it is AP or not? That's a very simple thing. If the common difference is constant, then the given sequence is an AP. If the common difference is not constant, then the given sequence is not an AP. So we know that. If they form an AP, so in some of the sequences what he has given us, some are APs and some are not APs. It's understood. So if they form an AP, that's the condition. Find D. You have to find the value of D. That is, you have to find common difference. If it is an AP, you have to find the common difference. And also write the next 3 terms. Next 3 terms. If in the problem, if he has given 4 terms of the AP, then you have to find out 5th, 6th and 7th. If he has given 3 terms, you have to find out 4th, 5th and 6th. Provided the given sequence is an AP. Right. So one question is, one sequence is given 2, 4, 8, 16. It's a sequence given here. So which of the following are APs? The sequence is given. So first thing is we have to check whether the given sequence is an AP or not. Then we will see if it is an AP, then we will find out D, and then we will find out the next 3 terms. If it is an AP, if it is not an AP, then what will do, sir? So it's very simple. If it is not an AP, just write as it is not an, as the common difference is not constant, therefore it is not an AP. So no question of finding out the next 3 terms or finding out the given terms. Okay. Let us go with this. 2, 4, 8, 16, is the given sequence. So this is write down the sequence. 8, 16, So A2 is A1, 4 is A2, 8 is A3, 16 is A4. This is the given sequence. So let us find out A2 minus A1 first. So A2 minus A1 is A2 is 4 minus A1 is 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Let us find out A3 minus A1. So A3 minus A1 is A3 is 8 minus A2 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. It's enough. enough. Don't find out A3 and A3 minus A2, no need, because to define an AP, first three terms are enough. First three terms of the given sequence is enough. So here, common difference is not constant. So when you take A2 minus A1, you get 2, and A3 minus A3 minus A2, you do it, you get 4. So common difference is not constant. Common difference is not constant. Right. So as common difference is not constant, so therefore given sequence is not an AP. So this is the conclusion. So as this is not an AP, therefore you don't need to find out D and the next three terms. So this problem is confined until this step. So exercise 1.1 fourth main, we will be going to the second problem. So very important. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find D, write next three terms. Same question repeats. This given sequence is a different one. 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2 is the given sequence. So for the first step, we have to check whether the given sequence is an AP or not. And next, if it is an AP, we have to find out the value of D. So actually, by finding out whether the sequence is an AP or not, we will get the D itself. So we can write the same value there. But the thing is, we have to write the next three terms. That's very important. So let us find first. Let's check whether this sequence is an AP or not. So 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2 comma is given. So this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, Let us find out the common difference. So A2 minus A1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. So 2 has one has the denominator. So here 2 on 1. LCM is 2. 5 by 2 into 2 is 5 minus 2 by 1 into 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Denominator continues. So here common difference we have got 1 by 2. But still I have not confirmed whether the given sequence is an AP or not. Let us check the second one. A3 minus A2 is equal to A3 is 3 minus A2 is 5 by 2. So below 3 we have 1 as the denominator. Take LCM for 1 and 2. LCM stands for 2. 3 by 1 into 2 is 6 minus 5 by 2 into 2 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. So it's enough. We are getting common difference as a constant. So the constant is 1 by 2. So therefore the given sequence is an AP. So write the conclusion as common difference is constant. As common difference is constant. Therefore given sequence is an AP. So it is confirmed that the given sequence is an AP. So then we have to go with the next question. If they form an AP, find D. So D is already here. So now with D is equal to 1 by 2, we have the D value. Alright, next three terms. So how many terms are already given? So 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are already given. So then we have to find out the 5th, 6th and 7th terms. Right. So let us go with the 5th term. How does the 5th term look like generally? So it is A plus, yes you are right, A plus 4D. A plus 4D is the 5th term. So A5 is equal to A is, by inspection we can get this, A is equal to 2 plus 4 into D is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 side goes. So A5 is equal to 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2. So A5 is equal to 4. So this is the 5th term. The next term is 6th term. So how to define 6th term? A plus 5D. A plus 5D is A6. A plus 5D. So A6 is equal to A is 2, that is according to the data, 2 plus 5 into D is 1 by 2. So A6 is equal to 2 plus 5 ones are 5 by 2. Denominator we have it as 1. So A6 is equal to 1 and 2. LCM is 2. 2 by 1 into 2 is 4. Plus 5 by 2 into 2 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 by 2. So sixth term is 9 by 2. So last term we need the seventh term. So how to define the seventh term? A7 can be written as A plus 6D. A plus 6D. So A7 is equal to A is 2 again. 2 plus 6 into D is common difference we have got 1 by 2. So A7 is equal to 2 plus 2 ones are 2, 3s are 3, 1s are 3. So A7 is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. So next three terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. So this question maybe appears in your examination for maybe for 2 marks. So half of the problem can also be asked in your examination for 1 mark. So we'll go with the next problem. So we have minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 as the given sequence. So we have to check whether first it is an AP or not. If it is an AP, then we will find out the next 3 terms. Alright. So minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 are the given sequence. So this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, dot dot dot. So first we will find out A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 3.2 minus. Be very careful regarding this because we have minus here that I have written here, but A1 is also a negative number. Therefore, please keep it inside brackets. So you have to follow these rules. So A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2, that becomes equal to minus 2. Minus 3.2 plus 1.2 is minus 2. Find out A3 minus A2 is equal to A3 is minus 5.2. Put this minus here. A2 is minus 3.2, so please keep it inside bracket. So minus 5.2 minus into minus is plus 3.2. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is again minus 2. So it's enough, I hope, because I used the first 3 terms of the sequence. So in this we are getting minus 2 as a constant. So as the common difference is constant, the given sequence becomes an AP. So as common difference is constant. As common difference is constant, therefore given sequence is an AP with D is equal to minus 2. So value of D is minus 2. So we can write out the data again. A is minus 1.2, D is minus 2. So as it is confirmed that the given sequence is an AP, we can find out the next 3 terms. So first check out how many terms are given in the sequence. So it is given 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are given. Then you have to find out the 5th term, 6th term and the 7th term. So let us define the 5th term based on general form. 5th term can be defined as, if 4 times the common difference is added to first term, you are going to get the 5th term. So that can be written as A plus 4D. So A5 is equal to A is minus 1.2 plus 4 into D is minus 2. So A5 is equal to minus 1.2 plus, okay, plus into minus is minus 4 into 2 is 8. So A5 is equal to minus 9.2. The value of A5 is minus 9.2. Right? We'll go with the 6th term. So A6 can written as A plus 5D. A6 can written as again A is minus 1.2 plus 5 and D is minus 2. So A6 is equal to minus 1.2 plus into minus is minus 5 2s are 10. So A6 is equal to minus 1.2 minus 10 is minus 11.2. So A6 is minus 11.2. So last term is remaining, that is A7. So A7 can be defined as A plus 6D. So A7 is equal to A is minus 1.2 plus 6 into D is minus 2. So A7 can be written as minus 1.2 plus into minus 6 into 2 is 12. So A7 is equal to minus 13.2. So A7 is minus 13.2. So first we confirm whether it is an AP or not. So we came to know that it's an AP. We have written the common difference, and also by using A and D we have found out the next three terms of the sequence. So we go with the next problem. Another sequence is given: minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, dot 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 dot. So while looking at the sequence, you have to be very well aware of the signs used for the terms. So here we can see the negative sign for the first three terms, and the fourth term is positive. So you have to be very careful. So write down the problem: minus 6, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, dot dot dot. So this becomes A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, dot dot. So let us find out the common difference. A2 minus A1 is minus 6 is A2. Minus is in the formula. Write the minus sign. A1 is again minus 10. So please keep it inside brackets. So A2 minus A1 is minus 6. Minus into minus is plus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 is plus 4. So let us check out the another criteria, that is A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2 minus A2 is again negative. So therefore please keep it inside brackets. So it is minus 2. Minus into minus is plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is again you are going to get plus 4. So here you can see that the common difference is constant. So if the common difference is constant, then the given sequence is an AP. So common difference is constant. Common difference is constant. Therefore, it is an AP with D is equal to 4. With D is equal to 4. So according to the problem, if it is an AP, we have to continue with the question here. So write down the data again. A is equal to minus 10. D is equal to 4. So you have to find out the next 4 terms. So already 4 terms are given. Sorry, next 3 terms. Already first 4 terms are given. Then you have to find out the next 3 terms. That is 5th, 6th, and 7th. So let us find out the 5th term. It can be written as A plus 4D. So A5 is equal to A is minus 10 plus 4 into D is 4. So A5 is equal to minus 10 plus 4 4s are 16. That comes to plus 6. So A5 is plus 6. So let us go with the 6th term. So 6th term can be written as A plus 5D. So A6 is equal to A is minus 10 plus 5 into D is 4. So A6 can be written as minus 10 plus 5 4s are 20. So minus 10 plus 20 is plus 10. So let us change a little bit. We'll change the method of finding out the 7th term. So 7th term can be found out by using very simple technique. So if you add one time common difference, if you add one time common difference to the 6th term, you are going to get the 7th term. Can we do it? Is this feasible? Yes, no doubt we can do this. So A7 is equal to A6, it's already here. 10 plus D is 4, 10 plus 4 is 14. So this is the 7th term. So it's left to you. I am not very much concerned with the methods. So the right thing we are getting here, you can write the general form of each and every term, or you can find out just the 5th term and add one time common difference, you get the 6th term, one time common difference you add, you get the 7th term. So any of the methods you can do, methodology is left to you. Okay, we'll go to the next problem for the same question. 3 comma 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So it's connected to the problem. The sequence is connected to the surds. Surds represents irrational numbers. So in real numbers, in the 9th standard syllabus, maybe in your first chapter you have come across this irrational numbers. So it is a rational number. Sum of a rational and irrational is an irrational number. This is also an irrational number. This is also an irrational number. So taking the irrational numbers, they have made a sequence. So first we have to check whether it is an AP or not. If it is an AP, then we will deal with the next question. Okay, let's first check out whether it is an AP or not. So 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2 are the given terms. So 3 becomes the first term, 3 plus root 2 becomes second term, 3 plus 2 root 2 entire thing becomes the third term, 3 plus 3 root 2 entire becomes the fourth term, and so on. So let us first find out the common difference, whether it is constant or not. So take A2 minus A1. So A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus sign are applied here. A1 is 3. So minus 3 plus 3 cancels. The remaining thing is root 2. So A2 minus A1 stands for root 2. So let us go with the second thing, that is A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus. So it's a very important step. So here usually all students, 99% of students do fault here. They go with some error or simple mistake. Good students usually do this. So here A3 is a binomial, a combination of rational and irrational number connected by plus sign is a binomial. And you check out A2. A2 is also a binomial. So you are having minus sign here, and the minus sign is followed by a binomial. So wherever you get a minus sign followed by a binomial, please keep the binomial inside brackets. If you do not use brackets, that will lead to a very simple mistake where the answer will be completely altered. So minus 3 plus root 2. So this is the method. So 3 plus 2 root 2, multiply the term in the binomial by minus sign. That is, it's understood that we have 1 here. So minus 1 into, that multiply. So minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3. Minus into plus is minus, that is root 2. So here plus 3 and minus 3 cancels. We are left out with 2 root 2 minus root 2. So take root 2 as common. So we get 2 minus 1 here, because the coefficient of root 2 is 1. So root 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1. So root 2 into 1 is root 2. So here we can check the common difference is constant. So as the common difference is constant, the given sequence is an AP. We will announce it first. As common difference is constant. Therefore, it is an AP. It is an AP with D is equal to root 2. D is equal to root 2. So common difference is root 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are given. So then we have to find out the next 3 terms. That is the 5th term, 6th term, and the 7th term. So we'll go with a very different method. So we'll go with the A5. A5 can be written as A4 plus D. Is this right or wrong? A5 can be written as A plus 4D. That's also right. A5 can also be written as A4 plus D. So since you already have A4, just add D to that. So A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D is root 2. So A5 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2. They are like sets. They can be added. So if you are adding two like sets in the sense the two sets having the same order and same radical in their simplest forms, they are called as like sets. So they have the same radicals and they have the same orders. So they have same powers, that is root 2, root 2. So 1 is the coefficient of root 2 and 3 is the coefficient of this root 2. So when you add two like sets, it's nothing but you are adding their coefficients. So 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is 4 root 2. So directly you can write it as 4 root 2. So fifth term is 3 plus 4 root 2. So here many students may think, so why can't we add 3 with this 4 and make it as 7 root 2? So it cannot be done because 3 is purely a rational number and 4 root 2 is an irrational number. You cannot add an irrational number with a rational number. Please keep this in your mind. So let us find out A6. A6 can be written as A5 plus D, or you can write it as A6 is equal to A plus 5D. That can also be done. This can also be done. So this appears easy. Which appears easy, you can do it. So A6 is equal to A5 is already ready with us. That is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus D value is root 2. So A6 is equal to 3 plus what is 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2. We have to add the coefficients. So as they are like sets in their simplest forms, their coefficients are added. 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is 5 root 2. Just like what is 4 pencils plus 1 pencil, that is 5 pencils. Something like such a simple thing. So A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2. Let us go with A7. So A7 is equal to, can be written as A6 plus D. Is right or wrong? It's right. So A7 is A6, we are ready with that. 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2 plus the value of D is root 2. So A7 can be written as 3 plus, what is 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2? 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is nothing but like 5 pencils plus 1 pencil. That is 6 root 2. 6 root 2. So the value of the seventh term is 3 plus 6 root 2. I hope you enjoyed the problem. So until now we have solved problems on in exercise 1.1, fourth main until maybe some 5-6 problems are solved. Still some 5-6 problems are remaining. So I am going to continue those problems in tomorrow's class. So these problems on board, what I have done, will be sent to you through WhatsApp. You are going to get the notes in that. You can just write it down. So please keep your notes updated. Write down all the notes what I have given through WhatsApp. If you have any questions, you can send me. After seeing the video, subscribe the video, and you can ask me any questions in the comment section of YouTube, or you can send in WhatsApp. I hope you enjoyed the entire session of this video. So please practice problems. When you look at me doing solving problems, you may feel it very easy. But once you start doing it by your own, you may feel it a little bit difficult. So practice well. Practice makes you master in mathematics. So you can get a good hold on the subject if you practice problems and also you understand the concepts of mathematics. So without theory in mathematics, mathematics becomes very sterile. So learn theory as well as practice problems until you get a good hold and confidence on those problems. So I hope you enjoyed this session. So stay home, be safe, Thank you very much.